The housing market is still hot, hot, hot. And if you're a prospective buyer in search of a new home, there are a few important key steps to keep in mind to help ease the process. West Shore Mortgage strives on delivering the right loan programs to their customers to get them into their dream home. Joining us now with over 20 years of experience as a loan officer at West Shore Mortgage is Matthew Cole. Welcome to the show, Matthew.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
Good, good. We're happy to have you on. So, Matthew, what do prospective home buyers need to consider when wanting to buy a new house?
The biggest thing about mortgage is just really working with someone that you're comfortable with and someone that you trust. There's too many bad, loans given that, really kind of hurt people with the process and can get them really deep into the motions and not be able to perform on a loan. So working with the right person is always kind of the most important piece.
Okay, and do you have any tips on how to ensure that they're choosing the right loan officer?
Reviews are usually really good. Working with your realtor, as long as you have a really experienced realtor, making sure that you vet out the referral from them. Typically it's going to be if your realtor refers you somebody, that's usually going to be kind of the way to go because that person has a really tight relationship with that lender. And usually there's a purpose behind it, why they use them. So that's kind of most of my business comes from is my realtor partners. Most of our business that we do here at West Shore is purchase related, and a good amount of it is because of our super strong realtor partners that we work with.
Nice. And are there any red flags that we need to look out for?
Yeah, there's tons. I would stay away from the stuff that you see in the mail. As soon as you buy a home or as soon as you get your credit pulled, you're just going to get bombarded with stuff. There's lenders out there that just are going to send you a letter and your neighbor gets the same letter and your other neighbor gets the same letter. So the stuff you get in the mail, just really be curious about it and call because they're pretty deceptive in regards to acting like they're with your current lender or they're your friend or they've referred to you. So I would stay clear of anything you receive in the mail and always call the person that you have a relationship with to confirm the information. But that's the biggest one that I see right now.
Okay, and why should potential home buyers call West Shore Mortgage? What makes you stand out?
We just really know the purchase process from A to Z. We have a really good reputation here locally in the Sacramento area with a lot of listing agents. We have a really good team built up, designed especially for the purchase process and even for the refinance process. But for the purchase process, for sure, we just have it down. We know timelines. We know how to get the appraisal order right away. And just, offer extremely good rates, everything, all the above for us as far as we're concerned.
All right. And what loans do you specialize in, Matthew?
We do a lot of conventional and FHA, a lot of VA loans, mainly purchase here. We do refi. So if you have like a question on refinances or trying to drop your mortgage insurance, or even if you're just getting beat up by anybody online, it's giving you a rough time on your loan. That's what we're really good at, is figuring out ways to make loans work.
And you also do mortgage minutes. What is that?
My Instagram has a lot of stuff that we do every week where we're talking about a topic in regards to how to remove PMI. What is PMI? Your impound account. So we do a lot of trainings and a lot of things for prospective home buyers or current homeowners, and really mainly realtors, so that they can kind of get some information and maybe direct their clients to.
Oh, I think that's awesome that you do that. I think kind of constantly being updated with what you need to know is important, especially for new buyers themselves. So do you have any memorable stories to share from clients that you've helped in the past?
A lot of my clients, everybody kind of has a different story, but the ones that really kind of stick the most are the people who get sent somewhere and maybe get declines from somebody else and then being able to come through and make that deal work. Everybody's important, but those are the ones that kind of stick out the most because we do see that a lot where somebody gets stuck with an online lender and just gets ran through the mud and is at a desperate moment and just needs someone to get the deal done for them. And then we'll step in and get those done. That's kind of my favorite.
All right. And if our viewers want to get a hold of you, Matthew, how can they do that?
I have a website, direct website here for Sacramento. It's islandsac.com. You might have heard it on KNCI 105.1. I'm on with Pat and Tom in the morning, but we have www.islandsac.com. And most people call me directly on my cell phone, which is 530-682-4092.
All right, now they can call you, they can get to your website. Thank you so much, Matthew. And for more advice on how to get your sweet home, you can also visit westshoremtg.com.